Welcome to this how-to video on using the Stage View feature on the EVOS M5000 imaging system. Stage View allows users to save the precise location of points of interest using pins on a vessel map. You can give each pin its own unique name, save these maps to the system, and load maps from previous sessions. This video will focus on Stage View calibration, placing and relocating pins, as well as saving and loading pin maps. To begin, make sure you are in the Stage View tab in the lower right of the user interface. You may be asked to switch to a low power objective. The Stage View window displays which objectives are installed in your system. Stage View calibration requires a 10x or lower magnification objective. To begin calibration, move the stage towards you and to the right in order to locate a small pinhole in the upper left-hand corner of the vessel holder. Center the pinhole on the center point and select Set Origin in order to finish calibrating Stage View. When creating a new Stage View map, there are multiple vessel types to choose from. You can select from well plates, slides or dishes, blank maps, or you can load pins from a map previously created. In this tutorial, we're going to be working with a 96 well plate. You can now load your vessel onto the stage of the system. When working with Stage View, ensure that your vessel is secured with the retention clips on the vessel holder. This ensures that your vessel is in the same position every time you load it. Start by selecting any channel and focusing on your sample. Notice that as you move your sample across the field of view, the well value will update to reflect the current well you are viewing. An area of interest can be marked as a pin on the vessel map. To set a pin, locate a point of interest in your sample and select the plus icon in the Stage View user interface. Multiple pins can be placed in the same well or throughout multiple wells in your vessel. Pins can be given custom names prior to being placed and can also be renamed after being placed. To return to the location of previously placed pins, select the Find Pin button. Within the interface, you can select the pin that you would like to relocate. Notice the delta X and delta Y values. These correspond to how far you are from that pin of interest. To return to the location of that pin, navigate until the delta X and delta Y values are both 0. At this point, the pin will turn green. Here you can see that the field of view is in the exact same position as when we first placed the pin. If your cells have moved slightly, or you wish to relocate the point of interest, you can update the location of any pin in your vessel map. To reuse a map in a future session, save it. You can reload maps from previous sessions and filter maps based on vessel type. You can also search for a specific map by name. If working with flasks or custom vessels that don't have a map template, you can load up a blank map and place pins anywhere within the XY range of the stage. The process of placing pins on a blank map is identical to working with a map template. Reload maps from previous sessions to relocate points of interest in vessels you've worked with before. This concludes the tutorial on stage view with the EVOS M5000 imaging system.